Ever noticed how some men effortlessly attract women while others struggle? It's not about looks, money, or fancy lines. It's about confidence, that unshakable energy that makes people take notice. Today, I'll show you how to develop magnetic confidence so that women naturally gravitate toward you. Build unshakable confidence. Confidence isn't just about acting tough. It's about believing in yourself. Women can sense when a man values himself. Stop seeking validation and start focusing on self-growth. When you respect yourself, others will too. Master the art of body language. Your body speaks before your words do. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and own your space. Nervous fidgeting and slouching signal insecurity. When you move with purpose, women instantly notice. Speak with conviction. A deep, controlled voice instantly makes you more attractive. Avoid rushing your words. Speak slowly, clearly, and with certainty. Women are drawn to men who own their words. Develop an interesting lifestyle. Confidence grows when you have a purpose beyond women. Become a man of depth and ambition. Women want to be part of an exciting life, not your only focus. Travel, build skills, chase goals. The power of mystery. Confidence isn't about revealing everything. It's about making people want to know more. Keep an air of mystery. Don't overshare. And let women chase your attention instead of you chasing them. Own your standards. Women are attracted to men who know what they want and refuse to settle.
These my daddies make it hurt.
If she's
These
not
my
adding
daddies
value
make it
to your
hurt.
life, walk away.